guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I'm so glad to have you here. I have been a little MIA the past couple of weeks because for those of you who don't know, I do have a home-based business. It is with a shopping club. I do book appointments for them, so that's what I've been doing the past couple of weeks. It's just been very hard to film while the business has been in such high demand here lately. But now that everything is leveling out, I'm getting back into the filming. So more recipes are going to come your way, what I eat in a days, and product reviews and all of that good stuff. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make egg loaf. And I love egg loaf. I love having it on hand in the refrigerator so I can just pull it out whenever I need a quick breakfast or a lunch. Very versatile. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by adding 8 eggs into a food processor. I do use room temperature products. My eggs are room temperature, everything else is room temperature. So you're going to just add in 1 stick of butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of stevia, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now sometimes I do add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 scoop of the Perfect Keto collagen, the unflavored one, just to boost up the collagen in there. If you're interested in any Perfect Keto products, I'll have the link down below and you can save 10% on your orders. Just check that out down below. Then you're just going to blend everything together in your food processor until everything is completely smooth. You don't want any lumps or anything like that in there. Then you're just going to pour that into a greased loaf pan. You can go the extra step and add in parchment paper just to help lift it out, but sometimes it just really don't need it, but you can do that if you want. Just pour that in your greased loaf pan, bake it at 350 degrees for about an hour 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it because some oven temperatures vary. So just keep an eye on it, and when you poke a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean, you're good. So I would start checking on it around the 50 to 55 minute mark just to be safe. Then you're just going to pull that out and you're going to let it cool completely before you cut into it. Then you can just cut it into slices and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This is what it looks like when it is done. It kind of fell on the top a little bit. That's because when I went to shut the oven door, it kind of slammed a little bit, so it kind of deflated. But it still tastes all the same. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that little red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to tick that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.